We need a banana. Peel off it. Cut the banana into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. We need 1 lemon. Cut the lemon into 2 slices. Take the lemon juice. Take the banana slices in a blender. Add lemon juice. Add a spoon of coffee. Add 1 glass water. Use blending machine to blend it well. Take the drink in a cup. Now it's ready to drink. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 30 days. And you will notice the difference. Especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days. And store it in the refrigerator. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.